What's up guys, Hasib here from What's Up Tech. So it's time to do the speed test between Pixel 7 Pro and Nothing Phone 1. Nothing Phone 1 is a mid-level device, and on comparison Pixel 7 Pro is a flagship level phone. Nothing Phone 1 comes with Snapdragon 778 Plus chipset. Again, that's a mid-level chipset, and on other hand Pixel 7 Pro comes with Tensor G2 chipset. On the memory side, Nothing Phone 1 comes with 8GB of RAM and Pixel 7 Pro is packed with 12GB of RAM. So on paper, Pixel 7 Pro outperforms Nothing Phone 1 in every department, but we will do a speed test to see how these numbers translate in real life scenario. So I will start the test by booting both of the devices at the same time. So 3, 2, 1, and both of the devices are showing the screen animation. I really like simplistic animation on both of the phones. Oh, Pixel 7 is already done and dusted. I will try to unlock the device, and yeah, Pixel 7 is ready to be used and Nothing is still loading, and it is done as well, but it took almost 1 extra minute to start the device and the device is still not ready. It took like 30 more seconds to make it ready to be usable. So yeah, Pixel 7 is a clear winner, and animation on both of the devices is very smooth thanks to 120Hz refresh rate of the display. And we will quickly test the Google app, and Google app seems smooth on both of the devices. There's no complaint whatsoever. So before starting the speed test, I will quickly check that both of the phones are not running any app in the memory. So memory is empty, that's a good sign. So let's start the speed test by opening the setting app first. Okay, it was a bit quicker on Pixel 7 Pro, a bit slower on Nothing Phone 1. Next one is calculator app. Again, it was a bit quicker on Pixel 7 Pro, a bit slower on Nothing Phone 1. And next one is the camera app. I will lift up the device and open the camera app. Again, faster on Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel 7 Pro was very fast when it comes to opening the camera app. Next one is YouTube. So we will open YouTube, and it was a bit faster on Nothing Phone 1. Yeah, the scrolling is very smooth on both of the devices. Yeah, it's smooth on Nothing Phone 1 and smooth on Pixel 7 Pro as well. Yeah, both of the devices are very good when it comes to YouTube scrolling. So next one is the gaming department, and we will open Subway Surfer. 3, 2, 1, and Subway Surfer is opening a bit faster on Nothing Phone 1. Amazing guys. I was not expecting Nothing Phone 1 to open a game faster than the Pixel 7 Pro. We will play the game for a few seconds as well, and the gameplay is very smooth on both of the devices. That's cool. The next game I'm going to load on both of the phone is PUBG. So yeah, the initial animation is on the same level, and we will see. Okay, Nothing Phone 1 is a step ahead in the context of loading animation, and yeah, it's still leading, and I'm surprised to see that Nothing Phone 1, yeah, it's done on Nothing Phone 1 and it's done on Pixel 7 Pro as well. But yeah, we will do a bit of gameplay on Nothing Phone 1. So I have kept the full setting for the graphics, and the frame rate is pretty smooth as well. It's on 60 frames per second. I can see very small level of glitterness in the graphics, but nothing to complain about. It's still very smooth on HDR and extreme frame rate settings. So yeah, it's very encouraging to see that everything is smooth. And now we will play the game on Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel 7 Pro loaded the game a bit slower than Nothing Phone 1, but we will see how the gameplay experience is. And just to let you guys know that Pixel 7 Pro PUBG settings is on extreme level as well. I'm playing the game in HDR setting and I have kept the frame rate on extreme. So the game is really smooth, guys. You might not be able to see it on the camera recording, but I can see with my naked eyes that it's more smoother than Nothing Phone 1, and there is no pixel drop. So that's it for the PUBG, guys. Next is the social media apps. So we will open Instagram on both of the phone. It loaded on the same time on both of the devices. Again, scrolling is very smooth on Pixel 7 Pro and smooth on Nothing Phone 1 as well. No complaints. And we will open the camera for Instagram. So yeah, it loaded a bit faster on Pixel 7 Pro. We will go back and open the camera app again. So again, the result is same. It loaded a bit faster on Pixel 7 Pro. Next one is Facebook. So we will open Facebook app. It opened on the same time on both of the devices, and again the scrolling is extremely smooth. Next one is Twitter. We will open the Twitter app. A bit faster on Pixel 7 Pro this time, and slightly delayed on Nothing Phone 1. So that's it for the social media apps, guys. We will open Chrome on both of the phone now. A bit faster on Pixel 7 Pro and a bit slower on Nothing Phone 1. So now we will open some websites on both of the phones. So first of all, I'll type in GSM Arena on both of the phones. It's ready. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, the website opened at the same time on both of the devices, and scrolling is very smooth, and the experience is amazing for both of the phones. We will open a new tab and we will try to open yahoo.com on both of the phones. 3, 2, 1. So both of the phone opened the website on the same time, and the rendering is amazing on both of the phones, and scrolling is amazing as well. So the next one is Spotify. We will open Spotify, and it's a bit faster on Pixel 7 Pro and slightly delayed on Nothing Phone 1. Again, the scrolling on both of the phones is amazing. Pixel 7 Pro or Nothing Phone 1, it's doing great job. Next one is Excel. We will open Excel in both of the phones, and it's the same on both of the devices, and I have already opened one Excel sheet in both of the phones. We will open it. Oh, there is sign in message. I'll not sign in. I'll try to get away from it. So all of the tabs are loaded, and we will try to switch between tabs. Yeah, the tab switching is pretty smooth in both of the phones, and along with the data, the scrolling is smooth on both of the phones as well. So yeah, that's it for opening the new apps. And now we will do the RAM management test for both of the devices. We will open all the apps and see whether the apps are kept in memory or not. Let me quickly check the animation. The animation is still very smooth. All the apps are in memory. So we will start the test by opening the setting app first. And the setting app has been reset on Nothing Phone 1, but it was kept in memory for Pixel 7 Pro. Calculator app, the same behavior is there. Calculator app has been refreshed in Nothing Phone 1. Camera app has been refreshed in Nothing Phone 1, but it was kept in memory for Pixel 7 Pro as well. YouTube, the same behavior. YouTube has been refreshed, but it was kept in memory for Pixel 7 Pro. Subway Surfer was in memory for Pixel 7 Pro, but Nothing Phone 1 has refreshed the game from start. Bad memory management. Next is PUBG. Okay, so PUBG started from the same place, but on Nothing Phone 1, PUBG was refreshed. Next one is Instagram. So it was kept in memory for both of the devices. Next one is Facebook. It was in memory for both of the phones. Twitter, again in memory for both of the phones. Chrome. Okay, the website has been refreshed, but the app was in memory for both of the devices. And we will switch the tab, and again the tab was in memory. Next one is Spotify. Again, Spotify was in memory for both devices, and Excel is in memory for both devices as well. So Pixel 7 Pro is a clear winner in the context of memory management with its 12 GB of RAM. On other hand, Nothing Phone 1 with 8 GB of RAM struggled to keep most of the apps in memory. And finally, we will export a 4K video for both of the phones. I will open the VN editor, and I have already downloaded a 4K video in both of the phones. So I will import the video in the devices. I will select the video and try to bring it in the phone. Yeah, so the process of importing has been started, and I can already see that Pixel 7 Pro is leading the import process and Nothing Phone 1 is lagging behind. And Pixel 7 Pro is already done with the import, and the video playback seems fine. There is a bit of bug in the video playback of VN app on the Pixel. Yeah, it's not playing the video in the editor tab, and it's working fine on Nothing Phone 1. If you play it automatically or move forward the frame, it's working fine on Nothing Phone 1 but struggling on Pixel 7 Pro. There must be some bug in the app, but we'll find with that. Now we'll try to export both of the videos. So I kept the resolution of export as a 4K and the frame rate as 60p and the same bandwidth memory as well. So the export process has been started. We can see a clear lead in the context of exporting. Pixel 7 Pro is almost double the speed of Nothing Phone 1. That's because of the raw power of Tensor G2 chipset. It's way more powerful than Nothing Phone 1's Snapdragon 778 Plus chipset. So yeah, Pixel 7 Pro is already done with export of the video, and Nothing Phone 1 is still struggling. It's around on the 80% on this time, and we can easily see that Nothing Phone 1 is taking double amount of the time it required to export a video as compared to Pixel 7 Pro. So guys, that's it for today's video, and as a final conclusion, I would say that Pixel 7 Pro has opened a lot of the apps faster than Nothing Phone 1. It struggled to open games faster than Nothing Phone 1, but in the context of memory management, opening the app and exporting the videos, Pixel 7 Pro was a clear winner. So that's it for today's video guys. Thumbs up for the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.